Well, hello there, and welcome to another Your Tech Report video. Today, we are going to unbox and go hands-on with a very, very cool device that'll make your life on the go that much easier. And that is the My Passport Go from Western Digital. Thank you guys for being here. If you aren't already subscribed to our channel, please hit that subscribe button down below, and that notification bell will give you a notification instantaneously anytime we've got a brand new video to share with you. So, what were we talking about today? Well, we're talking about the brand new Western Digital My Passport Go. This is a tough SSD portable hard drive. Now, we've seen portable hard drives before. They come in all shapes and sizes. They're pretty big, they're pretty bulky, they're pretty heavy, but thanks to solid state technology, we're able to get that footprint really, really small and really, really light. So when we crack open the box here of the Western Digital My Passport Go, what do we get inside? Well, we've got ourselves a beautiful, I must say this is quite beautiful. This is the Western Digital My Passport Go. Very, very thin, very, very sleek, embedded USB cable right there in the back, so it's flat when you're actually holding it, and extremely, extremely light. This is more than 50% lighter than any other portable hard drive that I have on hand here. I mean, this has got to be a tenth of the weight of any of the portable drives that I have. And this particular model is a 500 gigabyte version. They come in both 500 gigabytes and 1 terabyte models, depending on what your choice is. And let's face it today, with all these new computers coming out, you may get a great fast portable computer, but at the end of the day, you're going to spend like $1,000 to upgrade from, let's say, a terabyte to 2 terabytes, when you could just get, a model with a terabyte that's affordable and add on something like this whenever you need it to. And once you fill this one up, you just get yourself another one, and another one, and another one. You can have hard drives till the end of the day. But the cool thing about this Western Digital, there's a lot of cool features that obviously make this extremely useful and portable. Number one, the portability. The size itself is a no-brainer. This fits in a shirt pocket, no problem. This can fit in your pants. This could fit in anything with no problem. If you compare the size, I mean, look at that. I mean, we're talking about a fraction of the size of any other portable hard drive on there. It's solid state, which means it's going to be super, super fast. And how fast is that? Let's head over to my computer for a second, and let's do a transfer test of let's try like a 2 gigabyte file between this hard drive and between the Western Digital My Passport Go, and see what the difference is. And you can see the kind of speed savings you're going to get, especially when you're doing things like video editing, content creation, etc., etc. Let's head on over to the computer, okay? So here's how we're going to test this bad boy. Over here, I've got a Western Digital My Passport Ultra. So same brand, but this is not a solid state drive. This is a USB 2.0 drive. We're going to plug it in to my USB hub over here. It's going to take a couple seconds for it to pop up on the screen, but what's going to happen is we're going to see it load on the screen, and we're going to copy. I've got a file here that's about 1.87 gigabytes. We're going to take that file, so over here, right here you see that file, 1.87 gigabytes, and we're going to copy it over to this unnamed folder over here. We're going to use my stopwatch on my iPhone here, and we're going to hit start the second we release it on the actual transfer here. 3, 2, 1, go. So the stopwatch is going 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, stop. 1747 is what we have on the iPhone. 1747. So now we're going to delete this file over here. We're going to unplug this drive, and we're going to plug in the My Passport Go over here. There you have it over here. We're going to use the embedded USB cable, and we're going to plug it into the hub the same way we had the other drive plugged in. And we're going to copy same exact file from the portable hard drive over here. As you can see, the same file is over here, 1.87 gigs, 1747 on the old Western Digital, and we're going to release in 3, 2, 1, go. You can see it's counting up over here. 4, 5, done. 6.24 seconds. Yeah, substantially faster, almost 2/3 faster than the original Western Digital My Passport Ultra. So there you had it. You saw the speed test. It's obviously way faster than a traditional hard drive. Of course, with no moving parts, there's less likelihood of something actually happening and going wrong with your actual hard drive. Plus, editing off this device is where you're going to see a really, really big change. You're actually able to edit video right off the device. You can store everything you want on here and not worry about projects bulking up your local hard drive on whatever computer you might be using. It's available available in two colors. You've got this nice yellow kind of finish here, which is a rubberized kind of protection padding, so that if you do drop it, it's going to protect it there in that shell. Of course, it comes in a blue package as well, both for $179.99. That's the retail price. If you shop around, you can find it, you can shave a couple bucks here and there if you do shop around. I recommend that you always do that before you go out and buy something new like this. On board, you're going to find something cool. When you plug this in, there's auto backup software already included, both for PC and Mac. So if you want a no-brainer way to back up your files, just plug it into your computer, launch the auto backup installer that's right there on the hard drive, and it'll walk you through the whole setup, regardless of the platform that you're actually on. Inside, as I mentioned, a durable SSD. Fast, super fast, no moving parts. You've got the ruggedized enclosure that's good for up to a 2-meter drop. You've got the built-in cable, the built-in USB 3.0 cable, which makes for super fast transfers, as you saw before. And of course, being built in means you're not going to look for cables like I always do with my other hard drives. Now, there's so many use cases for a drive like this. Obviously, if you're a creator, if you have content on the go and you just want to store stuff, no brainer, no problem. You want to use it as a time machine backup with a Mac computer? Again, it's compatible. It'll prompt you the second you plug in that external drive if you want to use that for time machine. But this is also compatible with your gaming systems, whether it be an Xbox or a PlayStation. If you wanted to expand the memory and the storage capacity on those gaming systems, just plug it right in. It'll detect it right away, and you'll be able to use that for future game storage, which is a great way to obviously access your data. And because it's solid state, it's going to be super quick. And obviously, since it's compatible with Time Machine, this is completely Mac and Windows compatible, so you're not going to worry about that. So whether you're a creator and you're actually doing stuff on the go, or you just need to shuffle a project back and forth, maybe you need to give it to a team member to work on something, this is a great solution because you can get your data on it very quickly, you can get data off it quickly, you can work directly on the hard drive. I can imagine students will find a great use for this device. You're talking a $179 price point is really affordable for 500 gigs of storage, or if you want to go with the 1 terabyte model, it's a couple bucks more. It's definitely a great solution for anybody who's on the go and anybody who needs that extra storage in their life. SSD storage is not normally a cheap thing in the world, but when it comes to brands and it comes to a product like this, $179 for a brand name Western Digital SSD with everything that you see here is a great buy. So where can you get this bad boy? Well, we've got links down in our description below. If you click on that link, full disclosure, we'll probably make a couple bucks off of you buying that there, so do click on that link. You can go to wd.com, westerndigital.com. Of course, you can just search online on Amazon or your favorite shopping site, and you will find this Western Digital My Passport Go. I like the yellow color, but it is available in blue, and as I said, it retails for $179.99. Thank you for watching. If you aren't already subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel. It helps us bring you more videos like this. And don't forget that notification bell. It'll notify you instantaneously when we've got a new video to share with you. Western Digital, My Passport Go.